अब वो हेयर ड्रायर यूज करना. Now, you know this is an accessible room because you can see ये जो wash basin है, it can go up in height and lower in height. It can be lowered. आप ये, yeah, you can see this lever. You know this lever, say you can raise the height or lower the height of the wash basin. So this is an accessible room in a hotel. But the placement of the hair dryer is such that I don't know, I actually never use a hairdryer in a 5-star hotel because they're so oddly placed. What about you, madam? Are you able to use the hairdryer in hotels?
Sometimes we're actually looking at the height of the towel.
Of the? Oh, yeah. Look at the height of the towels and look at the height of this magnifying glass that they have. Yeah, of course. So there are a lot of issues, but right now I just want to specify on the hairdryer. You know? You know, this is the gate entry cards. When you go into your office, you have to swipe in, and when you go out, you have to swipe out. Now, this is quite low. Probably it's not so high. What do you think is the problem? Yeah, there are these planters and that construction underneath, जो कि आपको कभी वहाँ तक पहुँच ही नहीं पाओगे. It's like going to be absolutely inaccessible. Again, you'll have to ask. You work in that office. You are that ways quite independent, but just to do this little thing, you may need to ask someone to help you. Just to swipe you in or swipe you out. Just because it's not been installed right. Tables. Computer tables. Up tables. What could be the issue with the table? Why would it be inaccessible? I mean, you may have the most accessible computer lying on that table. You may have the trackballs, you may have the large print keyboard, or whatever you may need. Yeah, unless you don't have that space under the table to wheel in, you won't be able to use it. So ये जो ट्रे है, इसकी वजह से आप अंदर जा नहीं पाओगे, तो आपकी प्रॉक्सिमिटी नहीं बन पाएगी. So सब कुछ एक्सेसिबल है, बस एक छोटी सी चीज की वजह से inaccessible हो जाता है. And this I see a lot in terms of offices. You know, like a lot of times we do access audit for offices, call centers. And of course, people prefer trays, but as soon as you have a person on a wheelchair, it's better not to have a tray for this person. Or at least have it at a higher level. इस सब के standards होते हैं, which can be easily, got over net, or there are several guidebooks. तो मतलब it's not difficult to get कि कितनी height होनी चाहिए, ये पता करना मुश्किल नहीं है. पर ज़्यादा मुश्किल ये है कि आप उसको realize करो, notice करो, ये problem है. ये तो खैर, I've taken a photograph of let's say a saloon or a spa. Really fantastic chairs which can recline, which can go straight. It has all the stuff. पीछे ये बाल धोने के लिए, they have this special stuff. But you can't transfer onto these chairs. I've never had this treatment. I feel so underprivileged. I've never been able to sit on this chair. और ये तो चलो ये स्पा और सलून चलो वन कैन डू विदाउट इट, पर आप डेंटिस्ट चेयर देख लीजिए, वो चेयर में भी आर्म तो नहीं उठता ना. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड आर्म उठने जरूरी क्यों है? डज एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड what I'm talking about? See, this chair has a fixed arm, right? It cannot pull up. So people who use wheelchairs, they generally just transfer from one chair to the other. They don't stand. So they need कि उनकी wheelchair का arm ऊपर जाए और इसका arm ऊपर जाए, तब तो वो ऐसे slide कर पाएंगे, right? तो अब जैसे डेंटिस्ट चेयर्स हैं वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. डेंटिस्ट चेयर्स के भी आर्म्स नहीं ऊपर जाते. सो यू नो दीज आर वेरी वेरी क्रूशल इश्यूज दैट नीड टू बी लुक्ड एट. थिंग्स लाइक एग्जामिनेशन प्लिंथ्स. हॉस्पिटल्स में एग्जामिनेशन प्लिंथ्स होते हैं, बहुत ईजिली वैसे भी बना सकते हैं जो कि ऊंचा जाए और नीचे भी हो जाए, बट यू ऑलवेज सी कि एक ही हाइट के रखेंगे हॉस्पिटल्स में. एंड दैट हाइट, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर द डॉक्टर टू एग्जामिन, बट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर एनीवन टू गेट ऑन टू. I mean, a fit person would be able to, but an elderly would not. And forget the disabled. Huh? Oh, they have it for the animals and not for humans. But I'm happy they have it at least for the animals. Travelators. अब ये नए नए हमारे इंडिया में आ रहे हैं. You know, you see them somewhere, you don't see them everywhere. And this is a travelator in one big bazaar in New Delhi, in a mall. It's pretty new. But I don't have the guts to actually climb onto the travelator because it's so steep. I just feel if I kind of go onto it, I'll like trip back and go rolling off. तो एक कुछ gradient भी एक चीज़ होती है, safe gradient. ठीक है, I mean, a lot of people do use it and it's good for trolleys, but I don't think the gradient is acceptable. It's like 1:6. So, does anyone have anything to say? To add? Any thoughts? या कुछ भी जो मैंने बोला समझ में नहीं आया, जैसे आर्मरेस्ट का आपने पूछा ही नहीं मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ. You know, a lot of times you see emergency buttons like alarm buttons, again very high. You can't use it. Emergency alarms, they need to be audio and visual both, because generally we only have audio alarms. But unless we don't have visuals with it, how do we expect people with hearing impairments to really know that there is an emergency? I don't have anything more to say except, yeah, technology is there to help us all and to make our lives easier, and it does make our lives easier. But I think we just need to be a little more conscious about how we actually install it to ensure that it is accessible to everyone. Yeah, Jenny.
Unless they see the disability community as a viable market, as people who would spend their money if you built the facility which is accessible to them, only then, now they are only looking at compliance. And compliance, you need to have a switch. Okay, here's the switch, wherever it is. So we really have to move from the compliance platform into the economic profitability market platform. Only then will things be, because this is customer service. You provide the facility, they will come. So everywhere, not just India, I'm not talking about India, even in the US. Now we are talking about web accessibility and all that. We were shocked that the Department of Transportation is trying to get a waiver for travel agents, travel agency websites not to be accessible. So can you believe it? This in the US, where you can take them to court very easily, and you have the 508 compliance law. And the government is trying to get the waiver, saying that it's too complicated to make travel websites accessible. So it's not a problem found just in India. It's all over the world.
Thank you, Jenny, for letting us know, because if the travel community in the US gets a waiver, I'm sure the Indian community would love to follow suit and apply for waivers too. But you know, this I feel is a chicken and egg situation. What is going to come first? Are the disabled people going to get out and become more economically out there? Or are services going to become more accessible and they are going to be, you know, become more economically independent first? I mean, I don't know. This is a very, very difficult question. And I do hope with the UNCRPD and the new law, whenever it comes in India, we have a better situation. I don't know. I mean, this is really a chicken and egg situation.
Hi, myself is Gurmeet Singh Azad. I'm from Delhi, and I'm running a group of disabled. His name is Koshish for Special People from last 6 years. I have observed so many times, which is you present in your presentation. So the question is, the problems are everywhere. If we are going to in bus, wheelchair users, or if they want to go to bus, the bus is accessible, but the bus stands are, all bus stands are not accessible in Delhi also. It is because when Commonwealth Games are organized over here, because of Commonwealth Games, the prime locations are making accessible the bus stands, not in the other parts of Delhi also. So what I have observed and what I have done to make for it, I think that we have to sitting together, and we have to find out the answers, find out the solutions, and we have to do that on our own way. We are not awaiting for the government to do their things. So I have started from last year, from September, 30 people who are disabled people, we are going to sing the Taj Mahal. So what I have done, I have written to the tourism department of UP, and they have provided to us the wheelchairs, the guides, and all those things which we have to need over there. But the main thing, when we are reaching over there, the problem was, I was observed that there was toilets are very far away from the site. So I have written to them. So my observation is this, that we have to sit together once in a month, once in a 6 months, once in a year. We must sit together. We must talk on our issues. We must find out the solution. And we must take action to do that things in proper way. That is my observation. And second thing, you have showing us the switches are very high and the computer tables are. All these things are depend, because when we have to talk to the 5-star hotels or either restaurants or resorts. They even don't think about disabled people to come to their hotels or their resorts or their um, to their the enjoyment with the family. They didn't think about it. They haven't any opinion in their mind for the disabled people. So that's why this is my observation. We have to gone with multiple people. I think 50 disabled people gone to one cinema hall in one time and create the things that you have in the slope over here. You haven't the proper seats for the disabled people. So that is my observation. What do you think about it?
I think this is exactly what Jenny is saying, that once disabled people are out there and they see this business, then, definitely they will provide for disabled people because everyone likes business. And I'm really happy to know the kind of work that you're doing. But I think I'd just like to also add on to that is that we need to remember that Delhi is not India. And we are privileged that